So I have arranged my pastels on the left side of the box by value and by color. I will do the same thing with the right side as well when I get around to it. There's no rush. There are some little bits over here that are just a little too small for me to use effectively, and I do save those so that I can grind them down and turn them into new pastel sticks. Over here are some that are just not in the right place, and I just haven't put them in here the other side of the box yet. And then over here, these are extras. They're going to go back into my box in the house. I do want to point out that over here, these are either neutrals or they're some of the harder pastels, the new pastels that unfortunately I can't get anymore. So I'll be looking for a replacement for that. But this is how I set my box up. It works very, very well for me.